You're watching How Leap. Let's stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right. Scroll down to the privacy section and tap contact syncing. Here, toggle off sync contacts. This stops Snapchat from uploading and comparing your phone's contacts. Next, go back to the main settings menu and tap Who Can under the privacy section. Tap Contact Me. Select My Friends instead of Everyone. This ensures only people you've added back can contact you. Then tap See My Location and choose My Friends, Only Me, or a custom list like Ghost Mode to hide your location. Also, tap See Me in Quick Add and toggle this off. This removes you from the quick add suggestions for people who have your number saved. To remove existing synced contacts, go back to Contact Syncing and tap Delete Synced Contacts. Confirm your choice. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.